Hi friends, in this video I will teach you how to create a flight booking website with WordPress. As you can see, this is the website which we are created with WordPress, and this is a flight booking website. It's completely real-time search flight booking. You can see here the customers can visit our website and they can search for the flights on our website, like on the famous website like Make My Trip, Go Ibibo, etc. So the customer can enter their search here and they can find their flights. All these flights are real-time flights which we are connected to the real APIs. Like you can create Amadeus, you can connect with Amadeus, Subway or Travelport, etc. And you can see the result here. The customers can filter out the flights here and they can book the flights. If they book the flights, a connecting flight, all the details of that will be available on our website. You can see all these details here. The customers can see the details here and they can see the charges of the booking, etc. here. Once they enter the billing details, customers can proceed their checkout on our website itself, so they don't need to go any other website, and this is completely on your website itself. This is not a white label or any affiliate website. You can use your GDS APIs and you can connect to this website, so the customers can see their tickets here and they can take the printout, etc. So they can see the print here on your website itself. You can see here. So this is the order page of our website and you can see all the fare details here of the customers. You can see the API charges and etc. here. All this can be implemented with the Amadeus or whatever GDS you are using. You can integrate on this website. So this is watch till the end. You can also create like this a website, and this is the mobile view of our website. The customers can use like an Android app, so they can search here for the flights. Once they search on the flights, they can see the result and they can filter it out the result. You can also create or add hotels, tours, etc. on this website itself. Okay, for that also you can create the tours, buses, etc. You can add on this theme. Okay guys, to create this website, first you need a domain and hosting. So to buy a domain and hosting, you can go to the hostinger.com and you can buy a domain and a hosting. So once you buy the domain name, you will get you can also search for the hosting plan. You will get it for cheap rate. You can see here the domain, you have only 1 rupees for the first year. This is an offer going on, so you can use my referral link on the description and you can purchase the domain and hosting. And you can see the premium hosting plan here. You can also buy a premium hosting which is also at 200 rupees per month, which is cheaper. You can just buy it. Once you buy a domain and hosting, you can complete the checkout here. It's only under 2500 rupees. Okay guys, now this is the dashboard of your Hostinger account, and here you can install your WordPress website. Click on the WordPress and you can install it. It's super easy and simple. You can just simply install WordPress. Once you install, this is your default WordPress dashboard and you can see your default WordPress website. So this is the default WordPress website which we are installed on your domain. Now go to your dashboard and you can get a theme. The theme link I will give on the description, so you can buy that theme and you can upload it on your WordPress website. It's super simple. You can simply upload the Travelo theme and you can install it and activate the theme. Once you activate the theme, you can go to the theme settings and you can click on the general settings and you need to enter your license key, and you can also add your site tagline, footer, text, etc. All these things you can add here. Then you can choose the primary color and you can change all your branding color, etc. You can also add the sales notification. You can add the sales notification here. After that, you can click on the WhatsApp and you can just add the WhatsApp button. All these things are very simple. You can manage your own website. So you can add your WhatsApp number and click on save settings, so the customers can able to contact you through WhatsApp. And you need to install all these plugins which is available on the setup wizard section. So you can install all these plugins. Only few plugins need for our website. So once you install the plugin, it will recommend you to install additional setups. So you can click on get started, and if you want, you can install all these things, or like hotels, tours, apartment, etc. Or if you have chosen for particular things like hotels or tours, or if you need only tour, you can select like that and click on the keep existing theme and click on next and click on the next, and you can complete this setup. Okay, you can click on import demo for tours, cars, etc. and you can complete this setup. Click on finish. Okay guys, now you can go back to your WordPress dashboard and you can go to your WordPress dashboard. You can also complete the remaining plugin, which is a WordPress importer plugin, and all these plugins comes along with the theme package itself. Okay, now just refresh your website and you can see the changes here. You can see all the items are imported. Now you can import all these basic demos, like you can multiple hotels and all these things you can import. So that go to your tools section on your WordPress dashboard and you can just import a demo file which is available with the theme. You can just import it and wait for some time to get import all the attachment and all these things. Once you are done, you can go to your WordPress website and you can just refresh and you can see the changes here. Okay guys, once you are done that, and the document detailed documentation is available along with the theme, so you can just refer if you have any doubt or if you want to customize more things like that. Okay guys, now we can just delete this sample post. Okay, you can add offers on the post section. Now go to the flight section. This is the important thing on this website. Click on the customize section and you can see the flights option. You can use the Amadeus API. If you have whichever what API you have, you can just integrate on this website. So I'm using search API because it's very cheap and you will get 100 free search API credits, etc. There is no verification or anything. You can simply use that. So all other APIs you can use. If you have, just log on to search API and you can see the API key there. Just copy it and click on customize. Once you click on the customize, you can enter the flight settings. You can see the flight settings here and you can add the API key which you got from the search API and paste the API key there, and you can just add. You need to create few pages for the flight booking and flight search result, etc. So go to your pages section on your WordPress dashboard and click on add new, and you can just add the pages flight result. Then you can also create a new page for the flight booking page. Click on add page, and you can add flight booking as title of the page. Click on publish. Once you add these two pages, you can also create a booking product. So you need to add a booking product. Click on product and click on add new product on your WooCommerce and add the product as flight booking. Then you need to select as virtual product and add the product price as 0. Click on publish. Now on the URL you can see a number, so just copy that number, copy it and paste it on the flight settings area. Copy the exact number on the flight settings area and you can click on publish. You can also choose the pages for the flight result and booking. You can see here. Once you select these two pages, you can click on publish again and click on publish. That's it. Once you click on the publish, your website is ready. Now you can also integrate the payment option. Here you can add hotels. You can manage hotels here. You can add your own hotels like tours, etc. All these things are very simple. You can just check it out, and the detailed documentation is available with the theme, so you can also refer that. Now you can also install a payment gateway. So go to your Razorpay account. If you don't have an account, you can just get an account, and there you will get the API key, and click on the Razorpay plugin settings, and you can add your key ID and key secret and click on save changes. That's it. Once you are done that, your website is complete. And if you want to customize anything on this website, you can contact us on our Facebook or Instagram. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.